So guys, this is Tenwek Waterfalls. It's situated in Bomet County, and it produces hydroelectric power for Tenwek Mission Hospital. The Mission Hospital is somewhere there, yes. And as we know, the cost of power in Kenya is pretty high, so you gotta devise ways of bringing your cost of production down by cutting on costs such as power. So this is a place, and I like coming to this place. Every other time I come back from Nairobi, this is where I spend most of my afternoon. Ask me why. That's a story for another day. So let me show you. That's the place. And there are a lot of stories about this place. During the construction of this particular hydroelectric plant, I have heard from my grandmother that those who were tasked with constructing this particular waterfall had problems. Okay, it's an unconfirmed story though. Thunder, every other time they were done with the construction, it flattened it. And one day, some old men came with a calabash full of fresh milk, and they asked it to pave way for construction of this waterfall. I don't know whether it's true. I don't know whether it's a false story, but that is what I heard from my grandmother. Yes, so behind this particular hydroelectric power plant, there is a lake, and I'll show you that later on in this video.